Hi, welcome to the video, and today I am going to explain to you how to zoom in on CapCut editing video app. If you are planning to zoom some part of your video, you can use your CapCut video editing app. There is already a way on doing it. And today I am going to show you on how you can do that. So first, you need to open your CapCut editing video app. Once you're already in the home page, you will be able to see the new project with plus sign button on it. You just need to click it and then choose your video that you would like to edit. Once you already choose one, click the add button on the lower right corner of the app. You will be routed to a page where you can see the big picture of the video and the timeline on the bottom. Just click the timeline video and it should be highlighted with white. You will be able to see vertical line as well, where you can drag to the right side or to the left side. So let's start. You will need to drag the vertical line to the part of the video that you would like to zoom in. So for example, I am going to drag this vertical line here because this is the area or the part of the video I want to zoom in. So place that on this part and then click the diamond icon with plus sign, this one, and tap that, and automatically the diamond will turn into red and place it together with the vertical line. Once the diamond is already in place, just zoom in the big picture of the screen, that one, so zoom it in. Just use your two fingers, and then you need also to choose an area where to stop the zoom in. So you need to drag the vertical line again to another part of the video where you wanted to stop the zoom in part. So I will drag the vertical line over here, this one, and then I will tap again the diamond button with plus sign, and you will be able to see it turn red and it was placed on the vertical line. And then I will now zoom out the big picture of the screen using my two fingers. And then in order for you to appreciate your work, you can now go ahead and play the video. Let's try to play on it. And then you can now go ahead and see the result of your zoom in on this video. And if you find this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.